Showing activity rose this past week with fewer properties going under contract. It's Friday, December 8th, 2023. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday, so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Slowing buyer activity is noticeable in all Eastern Shore counties, with active inventory remaining sluggish. With the recent rate drops and slowing activity, it's an opportunity for buyers right now. There are 1,413 homes for sale on the shore, reflecting a slight drop. 59 properties are coming soon for sale, a drop week over week. 163 came to the market since last week, a nominal rise from last report. 71 went under contract, falling from last week. 91 moved to pending, also falling from last report. 167 sold at 98.1% list to sold ratio, and days before contract are up to 17 days. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Ocean City for $2,400,000. There are 122 rentals available for lease on the shore, rising to $2,200 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, December 8th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week.